This one is a 1952 Royal Quiet Deluxe. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. There's two ways to set the margins. You can flip this back and do it with your fingers like that. And you can use the magic margin and it'll set the margin wherever you are on the platen. So you just hit the button on each side on the top right here. That's the right margin. And it'll send that margin to wherever you are on the platen. And to move it towards the edge, you hold the carriage release on the back behind the knob and the button at the same time, and you can play with it anywhere you want. Same thing with the left side. There's a button up here and it'll send it to wherever you are on the platen, and you just hold it with the carriage release on the left side and set it. We're going to set it right there and right there. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit the line space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 lines. Right now we have it on single space. To put it on double or triple, you just flip this switch forward. We're going to keep it on single for now. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. This is a really nice type of machine. Type a sentence in red. To switch to red, you just flip this switch to the left and it'll start hitting the bottom portion of the ribbon. Very nice typer. You could type really fast on this one. It's kind of like a upgrade from some of the older classic Royals. So it's just quality made. It's a Quiet Deluxe, but it's not that quiet, just a little bit quieter than the typical typewriter. The print looks really nice too. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. To pull the paper out easy, is flip this switch towards you and it pulls out. It disengages the rollers underneath the platen, so it allows you to pull paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. It's got a backspace on the top left here. That works good. It's got a tab function. To set the tabs, you just manipulate these little inserts back here, and you got to make sure it's popped out. So I move it with my finger by pushing it in. Some of them could be a little hard to move, and it'll stay stuck in until you like make sure it's popped out, or else it won't hit it. So when you hit the tab, it's going to stop at each one of those. Works good. I'll show you how to do it from the front. It's got a ribbon direction control right here on the top left. So you open the hood and you see the spools. Right now, the direction is going clockwise on the right. And if you want it to pull to the left, you flip this switch to the left and it'll pull clockwise, counterclockwise to the left. All the brand new ribbon is on the left, so we're going to switch it to the right and keep it on that. It's got a touch control right here from 0 to 9. The lower the number, the less resistance when you hit the keys. So I like to type lightly, so I keep it on low. Switch that back to black. It's got the carriage release levers on each side behind the knob. Allows you to control the carriage freely. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.